Michael here. Crusader Caravans has been awarded the 2024 Caravan Manufacturer of the Year by Caravan Industry Victoria. This award highlights Crusader Caravans' unwavering commitment to building high-quality Australian-made caravans. Now, this is the third time since 2019 Crusader Caravans has won this award. The 2024 Caravan Manufacturer of the Year award reflects Crusader Caravans' dedication to excellence across all facets of caravan manufacturing. A panel of industry experts from Caravan Industry Victoria conducted a comprehensive review of all caravan manufacturing entrants before selecting Crusader Caravans to win this top honour. The Business Excellence Awards recognise outstanding business practices across all industry sectors. The comprehensive assessment included manufacturing materials and methods, operations, sales, marketing and support. Crusader Caravans excelled in all aspects. There's some of the many reasons why Crusader Caravans has been selected to win this award. Now, let's hear from the owners.
Hi, I'm Serge Valentino, Managing Director of Crusader Caravans, and this award that we just received means absolutely the world to me. Validation on all the hard work that we've been doing here at Crusader. Validation that the team that I have is just amazing.
My name is Michael Padusis and I'm one of the owners of Crusader Caravans, proud owner of Crusader Caravans. Winning the award this year means everything, and it means it from many different perspectives. It's validation for the crew that we've got, a really loyal, diligent crew, and it's also a fantastic time to win it because the market's tough, right? Everyone knows the market's tough. What sets Crusader apart from the other brands is our people. You can replicate processes, you can replicate systems. What you can't replicate is culture. Everyone in this organisation cares about the brand, and that is really important for the customer because it means everyone here is putting in their all to ensure they get the very best product.
Winning this award to me is two things that spring into mind. It's gratitude and validation. Gratitude that I get to come to work every day with the best possible staff that we can work with. And validation because all the upskilling, teaching, nurturing, all the new methods that we've really been focusing on the last 2 years to be industry recognised and to validate that we're on the right path and we can go to the next step is really rewarding.
The edge that we have over everyone else is that we don't think that we've reached our limit with our product. Having that attitude all the way through is that we're always searching to be a better company, a better managing director, a better team player. And doing that, we produce a better product.
What I say to a person that's never owned a caravan, that is considering buying a Crusader, is consider every other brand on the market as well. Go and do your research. We want you to go and do your research. If what you want is a caravan that's different to every other caravan because it's composite, because it's Australian made, because it's built with love because of the culture in this organisation, because it's built with innovation, because the research and development has been done to ensure that you get the best product on the market, then we are really confident you will pick a Crusader.
This incredible achievement would not have been possible without the 200 plus Crusader Caravans team. We always look forward to improving and innovating in the future, and we'll see you soon.